Here we've got LG K6 and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So at first let's open list of all apps, locate and click on Play Store icon, and now select More. Go to My Apps and Games, and here under Updates you will be able to see all apps that will be updated. As you can see, we've got 21 such apps, and you can either update one particular application, for example CloudPrint, by tapping on Update right next to its icon. Obviously you need to make sure to be connected to your Wi-Fi or any other network, and then it will be done. You will be able to find it under Recently Updated, as only the app is updated. And then you can also update all apps at once. To do it, just tap on Update All, and it will be done. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, as it will be done in the background. So then you can open Play Store and check the progress. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can update your apps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.